Hey kids, today we're becoming super spider heroes. Are you ready? Let's go!
Sit cross-legged, place your hands on your knees, and close your eyes. Sit down on your yoga mat and stretch your legs straight in front of you. Slowly reach your hands toward your toes. Stand up tall on your yoga mat. Step your feet wide apart. Stretch your arms straight out to the sides. Stand tall on your yoga mat like a strong superhero. Lift one knee up in front of you. Stretch your arms out to the sides like airplane wings. Stand tall on your yoga mat. Bend your knees like you are sitting on an invisible chair. Now, lift your arms up high. Stand with your feet wide apart on your yoga mat. Bend to one side and place one hand on the floor. Stretch your other arm up to the sky. One foot forward and bend your knee. Place one hand on the floor beside your foot. Stretch your other arm over your head. Step 1, foot forward and bend your knee. Stretch your other leg straight behind you. Reach your arms out like a flying superhero. Lie down on your back on the yoga mat. Lift your legs up and bend your knees. Hold your feet with your hands. Lie down on your tummy on the yoga mat. Place your hands under your shoulders. Slowly push your chest up and look forward. Kneel down on your yoga mat with your knees on the floor. Slowly lean your body back and place your hands on your heels. Lift one leg out to the side. Hold your foot with your hand and keep your balance.